Hi, Kevin here. I'm going to teach you how to program your HomeLink on your C6 Corvette, and this will actually work on any GM vehicle as well. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find your HomeLink, which is a garage door opener. It's located on the driver's side sun visor. You guys will look straight up and you'll be able to see it. So you push these two buttons. You're going to hold them for 20 seconds. So I'm going to hold this no longer than 30, but you're going to hold it for 20 seconds. And you're basically waiting for the light to start flashing rapidly. So obviously it takes a few seconds, it takes 20. And then once it's done, it starts flashing. What we're going to do is we're going to take the garage door opener that you have. So we're going to release these two buttons, and then we're going to take your garage door opener, and you're going to hold it 1 to 3 inches away from it, and then you're going to pick which button you want to program, and you're going to push them simultaneously. So I'll program 1, and you're going to push them simultaneously until the light starts flashing rapidly. And you might hear my garage door, lights flashing rapidly, let go, that means it's programmed. So right now, in some garage doors openers, it'll work. But on mine, it doesn't work. The reason is because I have to link it to my garage door opener. So you can see that it's not working by pushing the button. You'll see it flash rapidly and then go solid. So it flashes rapidly, then go solid. What that means is you have to sync it to your garage door opener. So you have to go inside, and I'm going to show you how to do this and open it up and sync the
Okay, so on my garage door opener, you're going to have to push this little red button here, and you'll see this light flash. So you just push it. You just push it like that, and then what you do is you just walk over to the car.
Okay, so now you're going to come back to the car, and you got about 30 seconds, and you're going to push this button and hold it 1, 2. Then you're going to push this button and hold it 1, 2. And your garage door opener will be programmed. Sometimes you may need to repeat this step 3 times. Depends on your garage door opener. But if there's any questions at the end of this video, you'll see the instructions. Well, I hope that helps you out, and I hope that helps you program your HomeLink for your C6 Corvette and any other GM vehicle. Thanks, share, and like my videos. Have a great day.